My name's Carl Brand. I'm actually representing Rikki Saltmarsh, who's just
My apologies.
in the last hour and a half given me a statement to read on her behalf.
Thank you. So, all right. So your name is
Carl Brand.
Carl Brand, B-R-A-N-D. Thank you very much.
And it's a general statement of concern, I suppose, reflecting general community
No. Thank you very much.
issues. So I'll just read it as she's put it down.
Thank you.
It's quite a short piece. She begins, "Good afternoon, Justice Pepper and panel members. Thank you for allowing me to have my say this afternoon at this inquiry. Firstly, I acknowledge that we all drive cars, use barbecues, plastic products and so on. And for that you need extraction and mining. We also need water for drinking, showering, swimming, which is part of our everyday lives. I also understand that much of the gas extraction is for export at the expense of both our water and land. I'm a long-time resident of Darwin's rural area, and one of my main concerns is, you guessed it, water, which I think is one of the major concerns all round. We live in the driest continent on this planet, Australia. To quote a PDF, Show Gas Extraction WA, the amount of water extracted for fracking is between 5 to 25 million litres per well. Approximately 10 fracks per well by thousands of wells. That's quite scary. To quote the article, The Water Beneath Our Feet by Derek Emis, Professor of Environmental Sciences at the University of Technology, Sydney, who previously worked with the Northern Territory University on tropical savannas. And here she goes on to quote again, "Declining groundwater is a big problem for Australia. The loss of groundwater poses serious threats to humans, crops and natural ecosystems that rely on it." And then she says, "I ask, has anyone proven the chemical injection of fracking and is it safe?" And no doubt you're going to address that in your final reports. What's an acceptable risk, question mark? When will mining companies pay and be accountable for water usage? And who independently monitors this? As trucks have been filmed in Queensland dumping wastewater anywhere they can, as they must return empty. When will BTEX chemicals be banned in fracking? Benzene, toluene, ethylbenzene, xylene. In the summary of the interim report put out by the inquiry, it's mentioned that the Chair, the Deputy Chair and other relevant panel members will consult with the Alberta Energy Regulator in Canada. And she asks again, how can we be assured that this regulator is actually independent? There have been many instances of bad practices in the US and Canada and dreadful consequences for many citizens and communities living in those fracking wells, or close to those fracking wells, sorry. To conclude, I quote, the Northern Territory has an extraordinary amount of sunshine, which is perfect for the solar industry. So do we want a future based on fossil fuels or alternate energies? I'll leave this with you. Thank you very much. So this is from Rikki Saltmarsh. It's, as I say, a general statement of concern rather than a...
No. Thank you very much. That's I'm appreciative of both Ms. Saltmarsh's time and your time coming here today. Given that you're reading out a statement on behalf of somebody else, we won't ask you any questions. But I should just perhaps let you know to pass on to Ms. Saltmarsh that BTEX is banned in fracking in the Northern Territory.
Okay, I will tell her that.
Well, that brings today's proceedings to a close, and we will resume tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.